Ready.
Ready. Okay, welcome to Highland Flats Farm. So we have a group up here for glamping, and we're showing them part of how we keep our trees healthy. And it's by fertilizing with 100% certified organic fertilizer that mostly is chicken manure that's been decomposed, and it's really high in nitrogen. And the plants need a lot of nitrogen, as most of the green foliage is
Chicken poop.
fed by nitrogen. And it also has fish emulsion and other trace minerals for healthy microbes in our soil. And so what we're gonna do for each tree, we're gonna fill this little camping coffee cup full about halfway, and we're gonna spread it around the base of the tree.
How often do you do this?
This is about just once a year. Sometimes it gets done twice a year in the spring and the fall. But we have thousands and thousands of trees.
And you do it all by hand?
All with this system right here with this backpack. Yep.
Wow.
Because if we use if you know what a broadcaster is on a tractor,
Okay.
we'd be feeding everything, and we really want to focus on just feeding the trees.
Okay.
Now that being said, what you see around the trees, it's not weeds by any means. It's a 7-species cover crop we use. And what the cover crops do is they secrete carbon sugars that feed microorganisms. And if you're going to farm organically, you need a really healthy biodiversity in the microorganisms on the roots to break down minerals into a form that they can be uptaken by the roots of the tree. And so, another thing the cover crop also does is keep the soil from eroding, and it also aerates it. What it does is create thousands of miles of teeny little tunnels where air and water can travel. Because roots, I mean, you always think about them needing water, but they also need air. And if anytime you disc soil, the carbon bakes off, it goes into the atmosphere, and the microorganisms also get baked by the sun and die. So that's why the last few years we've been practicing a no-till, no-disc cover crop system. And then too, when you disc your soil, they say about 40% of this just runs off. With this cover crop, it actually gets held in the soil.
And how many trees are right here?
Oh, this little group right here is close to about 10,000 on this little. There's a road that kind of goes around this and makes this an island.
Wow.
All right,
Thank you.
Dallas, take care.